Welcome back to an amazing video, everybody. As always, it's a blessing to be here. If you're new to this channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And in this video, very interesting video for y'all today, we'll be speaking about how to turn $1,000 investment into Shiba Inu into $5,000 plus with Shiba Inu, and I'll give you guys step-by-step way how to make it. So you basically learn the steps and the strategies you can use to make this happen, guys. Whether you're a beginner or experienced investor, you do not want to miss this. Okay, this is not financial advice. It's just me presenting you guys the truth and the facts and what has happened in the past pertaining to Shiba Inu's price, and we can sit down, relax, and let's dive into this together, guys. So we're just going to be taking a look at Shiba Inu. As you guys can see on the screen, it's currently up 0.73% for the day. We're at 4 zeros and a 1314, putting us at 53% increase for the 24-hour volume. So we're at $428.349 million for 24-hour volume. Very good to see, and you guys know as well, as I posted in my recent videos. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link up there. But I recently spoke about Shibarium coming out. So with that hype going on, there's a lot of anticipation into and the burns going into Shiba Inu price. So how could you basically turn a $1,000 investment into $5,000 plus with Shiba Inu? So we could easily figure that out right now. So as you guys can see on the chart, we're currently on the day time frame. So not much happening here. We're just consolidating for a while now. So you guys can see it here. For about 15 days, we've been just remaining between the prices of 4 zeros and a 1183 to all the way up to 4 zeros and a 14. So it's a 1183 and 14. So it's not that much difference. We're going to be up 10% from this exact price, and if we go down, we'll be down around 8.63%. So now we're on the weekly time frame. It's a little bit easier for us to see the jumping up from what's going to happen in Shiba Inu's price. So matter of fact, let's go to the monthly time frame, a little bit easier. So as you guys can see here, all we have to do is put this measuring tool from the current price of Shiba Inu and go all the way up to all-time high, putting it at 4 zeros and an 8. And if it goes to 4 zeros and an 8, best believe, if it comes all the way up to all-time high, we're definitely crossing over this limit of ATH, all-time high, and we're bursting through and hitting 3 zeros and a 1. Before we even go there though, let's just put it at all-time high, 4 zeros and an 88950. So you put $1,000 investment into Shiba Inu, and you multiply that by your what? By the percentage. So we see here 580.78, 580.78%. And if it goes to all-time high from your $1,000 investment, let's put this as a percent here. And then if it goes to all-time high from your $1,000 investment, you basically can come back over 5,807. So you basically have 4,807-ish around there. Just from $1,000 investment, you gained over 580% on your investment. And if this goes to, let me just put this long so you guys can see it, and it will stay on here. And if it goes to all the way to 3 zeros and a 1, which it is highly possible. If it goes to all-time high, guys, most likely price will probably be going around here, coming down here, testing, and then it will come here, and then it will probably come down, test a horizontal line support, and then if it goes to all-time high, best believe it's probably passing, coming down to support somewhere around here. You can't really see it because it's on the monthly time frame, and then going up somewhere around here. But just to keep it simple, we just say 3 zeros and a 1. So for your $1,000 investment, okay, we'll go to the percentage. Let's just go back. And what does this say? 707.08%, okay? 707.08%. So from your $1,000 initial investment, you made, guys, let me go back. Put this as a percent, okay? So from your $1,000 initial investment, you basically made $7,070.80. So how much, okay, depending on how much you invest technically, you can just clear this out. Let's say you put a $5,000 investment into Shiba, and at these current prices of 4 zeros and a 13, which gives you 380 million Shiba Inu tokens, which is a great chunk. So take a look at this, and it goes up to 707.808%. So we do 5,000. This is 50,000. Okay, 5,000 times 707.08%. If I'm not mistaken, let me just double check. Okay, and percent from your $5,000 investment, it goes up to 700.08%. You are in return of 75,000. So even if we do minus 5,000 of initial investment, your profit is $30,354 just by investing $5,000 into Shiba Inu at the current prices. So even if you invested only 1,000, you can see you made $5,000, and you take away your initial investment, you made $4,807.80, which is very amazing just by investing a small amount and going up to 707%. If you put in 100, you're gonna get around $707 extra. So 707.08% is very high on any type of investment, guys. This is like a dream to even get 5%, 10% in the stock market. But we see crypto's flying 10%, 20%, even 100% every single day. You can even see this is on the monthly. Let's go to the week. Okay, when things were really popping off, even in one single week in crypto and Shiba Inu, it went up 152%. So your initial investment of $100 will be $152. $1,000 will be $1,520, and if it was 10,000, this will be $152,470. So it just depends on how much are you willing to invest. At the end of the day, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just giving you guys, in the scenario that Shiba Inu, when it goes to all-time high, what could be the possibilities if you invested these specific numbers that we just discussed. By that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it interesting or useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and if you found some knowledge into it, then subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so you can be updated every single day. By that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Peace out.